Hello friends, this is Nikita. Welcome back to my channel. Now you are here to learn about the word concept of TDS. TDS is nothing but tax deduction at source. So friends, what do you mean by the tax deduction at source? So let's consider an example. There are two persons, one is payer and the other is payee. Payer is nothing but is liable to make payment. Payee is nothing but who is entitled to receive the payment from the payer. Whenever the payer is liable to make payment to the payee of some specified nature, then he will deduct the tax at source, and that is called TDS. Whenever the amount is deducted, that TDS payer has to remit to the central government. Whatever the amount the payer has deducted, that will be entitled to get credit by the payee on the basis of 26AS form and TDS certificate issued by the payer or deductor. So in short, whenever the payer makes payment of some specified nature, he has to deduct the tax at source and he has to remit the TDS to the central government. So payee will be entitled to get credit on tax deducted. So what are those specific nature of payments of TDS? There are some specific payments where payer is liable to deduct TDS while you are making payment to the payee. It can be in the nature of salary. It can be in the nature of winnings of crossword puzzles, horse races. It can be in the nature of contracts. Whenever there is a payment to the non-resident sports person, entertainer, payer has to deduct the TDS. Whenever there is a payment by ECO, electronic commerce operator, in terms of Flipkart, Amazon, the TDS has to be deducted. So this is what the basic concept of TDS. With this, we have two conditions. Condition number 1, tax is deducted only if the amount is taxable in the hands of receiver. For example, you can take an example of salary. When employer is making payment to the employee, it is taxable in the hands of employee under income from salaries. So it is taxable in the hands of receiver, and so tax has to be deducted here. So TDS is deducted here because the amount is taxable in the hands of receiver. You can take another example. When a domestic company is distributing the dividend to the shareholders, it will be taxable in the hands of shareholders. So the tax will be deducted, TDS will be deducted because it is taxable in the hands of receiver. Condition number 2, all the TDS rates are fixed in nature, that is 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%. But if payment to a non-resident or foreign company, then surcharge and higher education cess should be taken into consideration. So TDS rates are fixed in nature as per the provisions of Income Tax Act and Schedules of Finance Act. But if you are making payment to non-resident or foreign company, surcharge and higher education cess should be considered. The next is TDS requirement. When does it arises? TDS requirement will arise at the time of making payment or at the time of crediting to the account of payee, whichever is earlier. For example, whenever the domestic company makes the payment to the shareholders, he will make the payment of dividend. When the domestic company makes payment to the shareholders, the TDS requirement will arise at the time of making payment or at the time of credit of account of payee, whichever is earlier. So for example, 1 lakh is the amount the domestic company is paid to the shareholder as in the form of dividend. Let's say the 10% rate will be the TDS amount. So 1 lakh into 10% is 10,000. So 10,000 will be the TDS amount. 1 lakh minus 10,000 is 90,000. So this 90,000 will be going to the shareholders. So TDS requirement will arise here at the time of making payment or at the time of crediting to the account of payee, whichever is earlier. In certain cases, TDS will be deducted only at the time of making payment. That is, whenever the payment of salary. Whenever an employer is making payment to the employee, at the time of payment itself, TDS will be deducted. The second example is EPF payment, Employee Provident Fund. Whenever the Provident Fund payment takes place to the employees, at the time of payment itself, TDS will be deducted. The third important example is winnings. Winnings in terms of horse races, crossword puzzles, card games. Whenever at the time of payment, TDS will be deducted. Then maturity of life insurance policy. Whenever there is a maturity of amount of life insurance policy, at the time of payment, TDS will be deducted. And the fifth example is compulsory acquisition of land. Whenever there is a compulsory acquisition of land by the government, a compensation which is paid by the government, on that at the time of payment itself, TDS will be deducted. So these are the 5 examples there. TDS will be deducted only at the time of payment. One is salary, EPF payment, winnings, compulsory acquisition of land, and maturity of life insurance. So let's recapitulate about what we have studied about TDS. TDS is nothing but tax reduction at source. There are two persons, payer and payee, and payer is liable to make the payment to the payee on account of some specified nature. So he will be liable to deduct the tax at source and remit it to the central government. That is what we call it as TDS. And payee will be entitled to get the credit on the basis of Form 26AS and TDS certification. There are two conditions here. Tax is deducted only if the amount is taxable in the hands of receiver, and condition 2 is all the rates are fixed in nature, and if you are making payment to the non-resident or foreign company, then surcharge on higher education cess should be taken into consideration. Then TDS requirement will arise only at the time of payment or at the time of crediting the account of payee, whichever is earlier. But in certain cases, it will be at the time of payment itself, TDS will be deducted. That is salary, EPF payment, winnings, compulsory acquisition of land, compensation, and maturity of life insurance policy. So these are the 5 examples where the TDS will be deducted at the time of payment. So that's it, friends. Hope you understand my video. If you understand my video, please like and share. If any queries you have in this relation to the video on the TDS, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends.